So hello guys, I'm gonna go to view this. So view this my I don't know how to speak in English. Rate my hair. Rate it at 10. Up to 10. So you rate it. The next one. Next. Wait lang. I'm gonna put the next. The second. So rate it into the comment. Comment it